algorithm to get every possible subset of a list, in order of their product, without building and sorting the entire list, I.e. generators. Practically, I've got a set of objects with probabilities, and I want to look at each possible group of them, in order of how likely it is that they're all true assuming they're independent, i.e. in descending order of the product of the elements of the subsets, or in order of length if the probabilities are the same, so that 1, 0.5 comes after 0.5. Example, if I have 1, 0.5, 0.1, I want 1, 0.5, 1, 0.5, 0.1, 1, 0.1, 0.5, 0.1, 1, 0.5, 0.1. In essence, this means I want to iterate over the power set of a set of elements in order, and I could fairly easily generate this, sort it, and be done. However, power sets get pretty big pretty fast. I expect I'm usually going to want one of the first subsets, and I'd rather not generate a list of thousands of subsets, sort them, and then never look past the third. This is where Python generators hopefully save the day. More formal specification of the problem, I need to work out a way to do sorted, power set, input, key equals lambda L column reduce, lambda, P, N, E column, P asterisk E, N1, L, 1, 0, reverse equals true, as a generator, or in some other way that lets me avoid building and sorting the entire list. I'm reasonably sure this is related to the knapsack problem, along with the subset product problem, but I'm really struggling to get a nice algorithm for it that works, and help would be very much appreciated, smiley face. It's not an issue for it to be slower than building plus sorting the whole thing in the worst case, iterating all the way to the end, it just needs much better best case, within the first 10%, say, performance.
Nice question, it was quite tricky to solve. I can't think of a way to generate the combinations in order either, but I wield the mighty heap, aka a priority queue, to keep the candidates sorted.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.